A very good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am the first presenter and leader additional from Sri Sudan SMK Pasipanan and other presenter is Sudarshan Sangeetan Kamalakanan Devikan and Sahadaran. The title of our presentation is Blind Way.
3.
Nowadays, technology is becoming an integral part in human daily lifetime. Now, no doubt about its benefit to us, but how about technology can bring positive impact to visually impaired people? Thus, mobile apps such as Blind Way usually help blind community to break down barriers. They can live a normal life. Their livelihood is greatly affected by this app. In sense of movement, this app is really change maker.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am Sudarshan, I am second presenter. We made this app for blind people. Through this app, they can travel to many places. Apart from that, this app will show them the danger ahead. Although they cannot see, at least they can travel to their favorite places. This app is made to make blind people happy. Not only that, we are giving this app for free. This app has an assistant system. They can open this app whenever they want. No one needs to download this app because this app is available on all mobiles like Google.
Hi guys, I am Sangeetan, your third presenter, and I am going to explain about this app's settings and system. Basically, this setting is so easy to set. If blind people want to set, they can do it by voice. Language is one of the most important in these settings. Our English is a global language, but not everyone knows his own language. Apart from that, there are blind people in many countries. Every country has its own language, so blind people can choose the language they know. As mentioned earlier, there is an assistant in your app. These settings can also be done without the assistant. Blind people need not worry about these settings.
Guys, I'm your fourth presenter and I will talk about our app's GPS. Even if blind people use our app's GPS, if they don't use it properly, then there is a chance that they might get lost. We add GPS just to make sure nothing like that happens. So, even if someone gets lost, customer service unit will find them through GPS. More and more people are disappearing these days. Having GPS in our app will likely reduce this from happening. Even though we can't find all of them, their families can find them using our GPS. So GPS is also an important thing in our app.
Hello everyone, I am Devigan, your fifth presenter, and I am going to talk about an important part of our app, emergency call. You may think how emergency call can improve this app. To use GPS we need to use internet, but no need internet for emergency call. In case of emergency, blind person can use an emergency call. The call will go directly to customer service unit or family members are necessary. There are no numbers for this emergency call.
Hi guys, I am Sahadaran and I am the last presenter. Maybe we will upgrade this app in future because in future technology will grow up to another level. Whatever, we will always try to upgrade this app soon. This is not only an app, this is our dream. To save blind people, one day we will achieve it. Thank you ladies and gentlemen.